We'll guide you through how to make an end portal in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. The end portal will go and take you to the end, and in the end you can find the ender dragon, which you can then go and beat. So to go and get started, we're going to need end portal frames and eyes of ender. It's important to note you can't go and make end portal frames. You'll need to go and find them in strongholds, and you can use eyes of ender to find them. We've got a guide on that though. So this guide is more focused on creative, but you can follow this for filling in the end portal frame. So you can go and make eyes of ender by putting in end pearls and blaze powder together. So what you need to do is go and stand in the middle of a block. Look forwards, and you can then go and place one block away from you, place another, and then another, rotate 90 degrees, place another end portal frame, another, then rotate again, place another, like that in a row, and then do the final side like this. So make sure you're always facing towards them like so, and they're all looking like this. Now, what you need to do is go and stand in the middle. I recommend just going and placing a block like so. And what you now need to start doing is placing in the end pearls. They all want to be facing you like so. So rotate round and fill them all in like this. And then for the final one, I'll delete this block, come outside, and once again, make sure you go and place it facing in and out like so. And when you do that, you'll go and see the portal is now made. So now we can go and jump through it and we'll go and get to the end. It's that simple. Please consider subscribing and liking the video.